Northbrook Cares.
Community Together. Catch, Community Action Together for Children's Health, is working together with the Village of Northbrook and local artists to create a beautiful message shared throughout the community. Stay tuned for a sneak peek of the design and an inside look into our art process.
We are husband and wife art team Heather Havlicek and Kevin Fogelson, working collaboratively and creatively to help brighten up the Northbrook community through the creation of an exciting new community art display.
I'm Heather Havlicek. I am a local artist from Illinois who enjoys capturing experiences and memories through narrative illustrations. I currently teach elementary art at Westmoor School in Northbrook, Illinois. I share my adventures through art on my Instagram artist page, Artsy Check. I have a passion for traveling and love to capture the beauty of a place through my expressive style.
Kevin Fogelson here, and I too am an Illinois artist who loves combining art with technology. As an artist, I specialize in logo design, and I love to create abstract digital art. I work at Antioch Upper Grade School as a graphic arts teacher. To get a closer look at my work, visit Kevin Fogelson Graphic Design on Facebook.
Check out how we started visually creating a message that focuses on the connections we make together in the Northbrook community. For my part, I began by sketching out narrative silhouette scenes of people finding joy in the everyday. I then took my hand-drawn illustrations and refined them digitally.
For my part, I wanted to incorporate a familiar place in Northbrook. The gazebo in the village green was selected because it symbolizes a place where people can relax and be together. I chose a more abstract style to portray the gazebo through my whimsical colors combined with my polygon art approach. I was inspired by pop artist Andy Warhol's color scheme and his use of repetition in design.
And now for your sneak peek of Catch's Northbrook Cares Community Together art display.
Catch this design that will be featured around town soon.